Ashi, hi, afternoon. Wanted to get your sense in the high frequency data indicating extremely strong demand still for Motown. Uh, Either auto majors or auto banks, anywhere where you think there is still an opportunity after the run up that has taken place.
Yeah, sure. So I think it's important to understand that there are a few important drivers of the kind of optimism you're seeing around auto. The first is obviously the GST cuts have been quite considerable, and that has kind of clearly made the cost of auto purchase considerably cheaper. This in the context of the kind of fact that demand had been quite subdued for a few years because of higher interest rates. So this combination of kind of falling interest rates, income tax cuts that had happened earlier last year, GST cuts, a planned kind of pay commission, all of these are kind of supportive of an overall kind of an auto recovery. And I think that is what you are kind of seeing in terms of actual kind of numbers, on ground demand, as well as kind of stock prices, which are doing quite well. Um, so yes, we do also have certain exposures here. Our exposures are in something like an M&M, where the EV part of the business and the SUV part of the business is also doing quite well. But I think across the board, most parts of auto, you are seeing kind of positive traction. It's just interesting to see how long this can sustain because, like we've been kind of mentioning even earlier, US-Iran monsoons, these are kind of important concerns. Oil prices do need to come down. As long as kind of oil prices do come down and monsoons do start to pick up, I think this kind of positive momentum could potentially sustain.
Side of Samuel, though, Kunal, any further opportunities, auto anks or autos?
So I think a Sona BLW is something which continues to look attractive, and specifically after yesterday's, I think our 40-50 point correction from 830 levels to 780 thereabouts, the stock has almost tried to recover and come back towards 815, 820. That's something which continues to look attractive. On the auto OEM space, I would look at M&M. After today's move, the stock is nearing a breakout back again of the previous resistance around 3,500 levels. It's also nearing very close towards its 200 moving average breakout. That could be another stock which traders could look at a buy because once the stock generally confirms a breakout, then we look at least another 3 months